Hello everyone, welcome to Share Market C2C channel. In this video, we are going to analyze about a short-term swing trade for two stocks. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel Share Market C2C to get our regular updates. The two stocks we are going to see is one is from the defense sector, the second stock is from the cargo and logistics sector. Let's get into the video. So the first stock that we are going to see is Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. So why Hindustan Aeronautical Limited is selected for the swing trade? So based on the super trend which I am following, the stock is currently with a reversal trend which is turning to the buying side. Today we can see a good upside potential with more than 4% moved up. So still we have to wait for the reversal confirmation. So that's why we are indicating for the swing trading. So currently the stock is below 20 days moving average. Once it is crossing 20 days moving average, the stock is ready to go for the upside. So the average entry price of the stock is 4,525 and we set a target of 4,683 with a stop loss of 4,400. So the current market price of this stock is 4,368.30 and 52-week high is 5,674, 52-week low is 1,767. The PE stands at 33.79 with a sector PE of 67.54, which is good for this stock, and this stock have fallen significantly from its all-time high, more than 25%, and it's corrected well with the market upward movement. The defense sectors all been perform well. So with this we have selected Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, which is for a short term, will give a returns more than 3% for the swing trade or the short term. So that's the first stock, and the second stock is none other than Concor, which is Container Corporation of India. This stock is also, if you can see, it's starting its reversal trend and it's been in a consolidation mode around 850 to 950 for the long time, and once it's break out the level of 925, it have potential to move to the level of 957 for the short term with a stop loss of 868. The current market price of the stock is 891.70. It moved today almost 2% plus. 52-week high is 1180, 52-week low is 672. The PE stands at 41.54 and the sector PE is 23.86. So with the super trend which I am following, with the 6 indicators which I am using, all this trend indicating the trend reversal of this Hindustan Aeronautical and Concor. So both stocks we have to wait for crossing the level of our entry range. Once it crosses, we can expect a swing trade with a short term of 3.5% to 5% based on their trailing your stop losses. I hope this two stocks is beneficial for you. We can come up with a video once the stocks been hit with their target. If you have any comments, please subscribe. You can put your comments, and this video is purely for educational purpose. You have to do your own analysis before entering of any stocks or positions. Thank you. Stay safe, investor.